Since I've been doing this in this 12 years, I've had insurance every day of my life, full coverage for me and my family. Was able to earn a wage while I got my school paid for. And at the start it was like 20 grand, and now I average between 60 and 80,000 every year. I've got 3 free retirement plans and the best training known to man.
Life is about choices. The decisions you make now will affect the rest of your life. Consider a career in the electrical construction industry, with high wages, great benefits, interesting and challenging working environments, and good advancement opportunities. Begin with the best electrical training available from the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers and National Electrical Contractors Association programs. Through the course of 5 years, you will receive 8,000 hours of on-the-job training and have a minimum of 900 hours of related classroom study.
We're very proud of our facility here. As you can see, we have a lot of equipment. We've got a great curriculum to teach our apprentices to be the best journeyman that they can possibly be. They have to be a state licensed journeyman when they come out of this school.
This is a commercial mock-up that that Matt has put together here that gives the apprentices some hands-on experience for them in the commercial field that they probably wouldn't get on a powerhouse job.
This is the conduit lab, and we have different varieties of benders in here. We go to the basics of a hand bender and all the way up to using the machine.
We go over DC and AC theory, and there's a lot of formulas involved in it. So if you're not used to algebra, it can be a struggle.
But basically it is introduction to electricity, math, algebraic, and some trigonometry for figuring the calculations, because you have to learn what the electricity is actually doing.
But we do teach the math. If somebody's not quite as strong as they need to be in math, then we bring them up to speed.
CPR is an 8-hour class on Saturdays. It's good, it's great to have. If you ever need it, you need to know what to do. We go through and teach you how to use the defibrillator, put it on and administer it right, and go hopefully the next step to saving somebody's life.
Code is a requirement that all our 5th year apprentices have to pass the state test and to become a journeyman wireman. They're not a journeyman wireman until they do that. Everything we do in the industry is written down by code. It's a minimum set of standards that the government sets aside and says you will go by this. It's actually law.
I got in this program 2 years ago. I was in college taking up electrical tech. And then I had a buddy from Atlanta. He told me about this program. He's in the Atlanta local right now. He just turned out. He's a journeyman wireman. And he said, man, if you want to, you can join this program in Birmingham. They have, you can go to school one night a week and work full time.
Everybody works. They have a regular job they have to report to. That's the on-the-job training, and it is required from the NJATC that they have so many hours on-the-job training plus so many hours of class training.
We offer the best salary and the best benefits there are in the country. The pay starts out with 0 experience at $11.43 an hour and progressively works up from there.
I've been learning a lot at work, and you learn a lot during school, the mental part at school and the physical part at work.
Not only do we train them to become electricians, but after they become electricians, we continue to train them for years to come in things like welding and fiber optics, fire alarm, instrumentation, voice data video, and things like that they can gain certifications in to make them more employable. It's absolutely free. We pay 100% of it. They pay for their books, which varies from class to class, but the training's absolutely free. We find all the jobs for them. That's one of the biggest benefits of coming through this program, is you never have to apply for a job again ever. Once you turn out, you have the ability to work for over 7,000 companies in the United States, pretty much anywhere where you see an American flag. Also, for absolutely free, you get a family insurance policy that's worth $5.50 an hour. You have 3 free retirement plans. 2 of them are what's called a defined benefit. We pay you $37.50 for every month, for every year that you work for us. So if you work 40 years, that's a $1,500 check you get every month after you retire. The third retirement is what's called a defined contribution. The figures are on 10% interest. If you work 40 hours a week for 40 years, it's $1.5 million. And that will be a check that's written to you and given to you in a lump sum upon retirement.
You have to have a GED or high school education, have to have had at least some algebra.
That we look for people that already have the desire to become an electrician. We also look for high schoolers that have no idea that they want to do electrical work, like me. I've been doing it 12 years and I never knew what a wire nut was until I got in this program. I come into high school, never knew anybody in the electrical trade and was able to come in. I just had a lot of drive. We're looking for guys that have drive, will come to work every day on time, will be a good steward of the local and in the community.
So I recommend it to any person that want to be an electrician soon. It's the best opportunity, the best program in the United States.
We give away opportunities. The opportunity is open to anybody, no matter their age, no matter their sex, no matter their race. It's open to anybody that has enough drive to do it. Once they get that opportunity, it's up to them to make it a career.